Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to reset your brand new iPhone 16e. If you reset your iPhone, all data, media file, photo, video, contact number will be deleted. Keep this thing in your mind. So before resetting your iPhone, take a backup of all data in external storage or iCloud. After that, go to the iPhone settings. After opening the phone settings, click on General. Then scroll down. At the bottom, you will see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on it. Here you have get two options. Reset or erase all content and settings. Click on the second option to fully format and reset the iPhone. Guys, Apple ID will be removed from your iPhone and the app and data will be completely deleted. Now click on Continue. Have you backup all your media content and data? If you taken a backup, then click on Erase iPhone. Now enter the lock screen password. Uploading data to iCloud. Now tap on Skip Backup. Apple account password. Enter the password of the Apple ID that was added to your iPhone. Then click on Turn Off. Once the Apple ID is removed, your phone will start formatting. It will take several minutes to completely reset the iPhone. It will depend on how much full your iPhone storage. Once the phone is fully reset, the iPhone will turn on and such an interface will appear in front of you. Then you can set your phone again as per your preference. Guys, I have made a dedicated video of iPhone setup. If you want to watch it, then I will give the link in the video description. So friends, in this way you can easily reset your iPhone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates.